Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take a look at Boxycharm's limited edition skincare box. Yes, we have more products, we have a launch date, we have the date you'll have to make payment. So let's get into all that, but first, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription, includes shipping. It has 4 to 5 full-size products based on your beauty quiz. All these products will be at least valued at $100. If you're a charmer, you will then be eligible for BoxyLux. BoxyLux is a quarterly subscription box. It will cost you $49. You're 21 plus $28.99, so it's $49.99. You'll get 8 to 10 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz. Now the value of this box will be at least $250. Once you become a charmer, you will be eligible for any limited edition boxes. And right now, we have an offer for a skincare box. This limited edition skincare box. And let me tell you a few details about this box. It will have 8 products. This limited edition skincare box will cost you $49.99. It will be offered to annual subscribers on Tuesday, April 23rd. And that is next Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, all other charmers will be offered the box. I'm sure you'll probably get an email. The box is going to have all skincare products, which you know, and it will have 8 products. I'm sure there will be some variations in the products. We're not sure. So let's go through these confirmed sneak peeks. Confirmed sneak peek number 1 is by Glam Glow. It's the Super Serum 6-Acid Refining Treatment Serum. This sells for $65. It's a universal serum that uses Glam Glow's 6-Acid blend and charcoal to instantly plump fine lines, fight dullness, and exfoliate dry surface cells. It's for skin types normal, combination, and oily. For skin concerns, pores, fine lines and wrinkles, and dullness and uneven texture. And it's a lightweight serum. Now, if your skin is sensitive, I would do a patch test before using any acid serum. Sneak peek number 2 is from Kapari. It's the coconut cleansing oil. This sells for $32 for 1 ounce, and it's one of those products that is rated clean at Sephora. This product can be used on any skin type, even sensitive. It's a vegan coconut oil-based cleansing oil, and it removes makeup and leaves your skin silky soft without clogging pores. It's your solution for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. Sneak peek number 3 is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, and this mask sells for $8. This mask can be used on normal, oily, combination, and dry skin. It's a jelly sheet mask that's the perfect quick fix to dry, tired skin. It's a solution for dryness, uneven skin tone, dullness, and uneven texture. Sneak peek number 4 is from Saturday Skin. It's the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. And this is for skin type normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive. It's a refining peel gel that gently and visibly removes impurities and dullness with natural enzymes like papaya and bromelain. Now, this is a solution for dullness and uneven texture, uneven skin tone, loss of firmness, and elasticity. Lots of these products are for brightening your skin. A lot of them are for uneven texture and tone of your skin. So we should all have beautiful skin after we get our boxes. Sneak peek number 5 is from Elemis. It's the Superfood Night Cream, Probiotic Night Cream for $55. Now, this omega-rich night cream with super grain complex and an active prebiotic feeds dry and depleted skin. This product will hydrate, restore, and replenish your skin. It contains a concentrated super grain complex that replenishes the skin barrier for smoother, softer, revitalized skin. Superfood lipids, chia, black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils combined with an active prebiotic help to promote skin. It will intensely hydrate while you sleep, so you wake up with plumped, healthy looking skin that glows. Ooh, I can't wait to try this out. You can use it every evening as part of your daily skincare routine. Sneak peek number 6 is by Cosmetics. It's the Jade Roller. And a facial roller is an incredible tool for inner and outer beauty. The facial rolling practice is relaxing and de-stressing. It's been a beauty ritual since ancient times in China, dating all the way back to the 7th century. Physically, it helps to firm the look of skin through gentle massage. It also aids in supporting the lymphatic system, the body's main major detoxification system. Metaphysically, Jade brings peace to help reduce stress. After cleansing and toning, smooth a few drops of your facial oil onto your skin. This will help the facial roller glide across the skin with ease, while the roller will help the facial oil to be absorbed better, increasing its benefits. For extra cooling and soothing, place the stone in the refrigerator or on ice. The stone is naturally cold. This extra temperature drop will support circulation and natural collagen production, drain congested lymph nodes, rid the body of toxins, and help with sinus issues. So beauties, those are our first 6 sneak peeks. I want to thank everybody for watching my spoiler. I want to remind everybody about my giveaway this month. We're giving away 2 Jeffree Star palettes, the Blue Blood and the Blood Sugar. First place winner will also get a set of Jeffree Star sponges. So make sure you get into my giveaway. I'll link the video you need to watch. It gives you all the rules, regulations, how to get in. I have giveaways every month. And I'm getting closer and closer to 10,000. You want to be here for that giveaway. It will be huge. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe. And please try to like my video. I know they're not sticking. Everybody is having trouble with likes on their videos. I don't think I'm the only one. But please try. I don't know what to say. I've contacted YouTube several times with no reply. So thank you for trying. And until we meet again next time, bye.